Hi! In this video, I will show you how to curve text in Photopea. So first, we will open a blank template here. Click on the letter T icon on the left side corner of your screen and type any text here. To make this text curve, first is highlight the whole text and then click on Warp here and on Style, choose Arc. We can adjust here how deep the bend or curve of the text by adjusting this bar right here. And that is how to curve a text in Photopea. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!